hello. I'm so excited today because I'm throwing a big party for all my princess friends. I've been planning it for weeks. I have a big surprise for them. Come, let me show you. Just follow me. It's just right around the corner over here. Wait a second. My surprise egg was just here. If it's not here, then it must have been stolen. All my friends are expecting a great surprise soon. Oh, what will I do? What will I do? I thought Cinderella would have invited us to the party by now. I wonder what could be holding her up. Well, you know Cinderella. She's always fashionably late. Oh, I hope you're right. I'm so hungry I can stuff this chocolate in my face. Oh, Anna. I'm not taking any chances. I'm going to see Paw Patrol and see if they can help me get this party back on track.
How are things going, Chase? Oh, it's going pretty good, Ryder. Although my tail's wagging a little funny, I think there's an emergency on its way. So I'm gonna go out and keep a sharp eye. Chase is on the case.
Hey, Ryder! I see Cinderella coming.
Cinderella? What could she be doing here?
I don't know, but it looks important.
I better go down to meet her. Cinderella, what brings you here?
Oh, Ryder, I need your help. I'm throwing a big surprise party for my princess friends today, and my Kinder Surprise egg, the one that I'm going to surprise them with, is gone missing.
Missing? Do you think it was stolen?
Yeah!
Ah, well, that sounds like a job for the Paw Patrol. Would you like us to find it for you?
Yeah. Yes, please.
This sounds like a job for Paw Patrol! Hey guys, did I hear Ryder say something about Cinderella? Yeah, I think he said something about cooking eggs in a Cinderella dress. Eggs in a Cinderella dress? Well, that sounds magical!
Let's quit wasting all this time talking. Let's go already!
I mean, I'll take some eggs, but I'm not putting on a Cinderella dress. Hey, wow, meow!
Woo!
So, Mr. Chubby Puppy, is it? I was wondering if you would know anything about the disappearance of Cinderella's Kinder Surprise egg. Mr. Puppy? Chubby Puppy? Is anybody in there? Hello? Hello? Okay. Well, thank you for your time, Mr. Puppy. It's pretty safe to say that you are not our thief. And I'm out of here. Hey, Everest, Chase is here.
Chase, he doesn't usually come to the training facility.
Itty bitty kitty, I said I'd get to you in a minute. Hey guys, so Cinderella came to the lookout tower and she's having a party today and she's missing her Kinder Surprise egg. She thinks it's stolen. Stolen? Seriously?
That's terrible.
Yeah, it is terrible. If you guys see anything, let us know. See you later, guys. I said I'd be there in a second, you eeny meeny weenie.
The party should have started by now. I'm sure all my friends are starving. I haven't heard from the Paw Patrol. I hope everything's all right. I don't have another egg. I had to order these from Amazon all the way from China. Ain't nobody got time for that. Elsa, if we don't get invited to this party soon, I'm gonna eat my arm off. Then I'm gonna eat your arm off. And I'm gonna wash it down with a snowman.
I thought you said we weren't supposed to drink the snowman. I've never had a glass of snowman. That sounds delicious.
Oh, Lord.
All right, everybody, come get your chocolate. Come on down. Don't be shy. We got some brand new chocolate rolling in here today. Some Kinder chocolates. Straight from the princess's castle, I'm telling you. Kinder, you can't beat it. Wait a minute. Did he just say Kinder chocolates? He did, didn't he? I'm gonna go talk to that guy. Hey, buddy. Did I hear you saying you're selling chocolate eggs? Kinder chocolate eggs? Is that right? No. I was just talking to my cousin Earl over here. Your cousin Earl, huh? Would he happen to be the big egg-looking gentleman that's to your left? Yeah, that's him. Yeah, hey, Earl, say hi to Rebel. Hi, Rebel. How you doing? You gotta be kidding me. Oh, come on, Rubble. I'm just trying to make a living like anybody else. I just found it on the street. Somebody brought it to my house. Come on, man.
Thanks for all your help, Ryder. You know, I was really worried that some little kid was going to get a hold of this Kinder egg and not be able to tell the difference between the chocolate and the toy.
No problem at all, Cinderella. Glad we could be there for you, Cinderella. If you're ever in trouble, just yelp for help. Hey, is there a party here or something? I love parties. Hey, isn't that Scoop's cousin Earl over there? I should go say hi. Have you heard the new Zeus album? Awesome. Have you heard the new Adolko album? It was in the microwave all. Let's give it up.